Tonight, as the city of Hoover has created a line to fill in the gaps created by the coronavirus pandemic. It's a call center aimed at connecting residents with resources they need. Malik Rankin has a look at that for us tonight. Malik.
Good evening, Jack. The city of Hoover is finding ways to make the most of a global pandemic. While the public library is closed to the public, city employees are still inside working hard to help residents. Through the Hoover helpline, the elderly can receive assistance with grocery shopping and errands, and they can even help you get your taxes done.
And then we want to be able to take them and put the problem that they have, match it with the resources that we have been able to develop.
Hoover Mayor Frank Bricato says they welcome any request, and the call center will do its best to get you in touch with the right people. He says he's seen the community step up in this public health crisis.
It's been really kind of incredible to hear how some of our churches, our businesses, our neighborhood groups have formed teams to serve our citizens in certain ways.
What we do is we stand in the gap, as neighbors and as PTOs and as city officials. So I'm glad that Hoover's doing that.
Hoover resident Lucas Dorian says this is the time to rely on one another.
These are unprecedented times that we're living through, and so it can be it can make people feel a little anxious, and I think that's how most of us feel. I think it's what's comforting is that we're in community together, and that with our faith communities, our schools, we're all saying we're in this together and we'll get through it together.
Bricato is pleading with residents to take these new orders seriously.
There's a lot of things they're impacting our lives. Let's not have this all be in vain. We have to follow the guidelines of the CDC. We have to follow the guidelines that the state and county health officers put out.
The city is asking that anyone able to help the community please reach out so they can get you in touch with residents needing service. The Hoover helpline launched today. They'll be open every day from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. and you can call them at 205-444-7877. Live in Hoover, I'm Malik Rankin, CBS 42 News, local coverage you can count on.